always there are two types of human beings, demons and demigods. Demons and demigods, always there. Two types in this material world. And this quarrel, this fighting, enmity, enviousness, these are always there. Always there. You understand? And why it is so? What is the reason behind it? Huh? What is the reason behind it? Bolo? Yes. Rivalry, enmity, enviousness, quarreling, fighting. Huh? What is the reason behind it? The reason is sense enjoyment. You understand? Desire for sense enjoyment. In other words, you may say reason is ignorance. Isn't it? Is ignorance. Who am I? Huh? What is my real identification? Who am I? माया मुग्ध जीवेर नाही कृष्ण स्मृति ज्ञान जीवेर कृपाय कइले कृष्ण वेद पुराण. Isn't it? The conditioned soul has completely forgotten his own identity. Isn't it? Completely forgotten Krishna, with whom he is eternally related. Huh? Completely forgotten his eternal relationship with Krishna. Maya Mukta Jiva. Huh? Conditioned soul. That means this ignorance. This is ignorance. Huh? Out of ignorance. When he comes in contact of Maya, illusory energy of the Lord, this thing takes place. Jiva tatastha shakti is marginal energy. Huh? You understand? So he is in touch of two energies. Illusory energy or inferior energy and superior energy. In touch of two energies comes margin, is margin. And he has minute independence. When he abuses his minute independence, he comes in contact of Maya. You understand? He comes in contact of Maya. Then he forgets. Then he forgets. Krishna bholi sahi jivanadi bahirmukha ote Maya tare deva sansaradi dukha. From time immemorial, he has forgotten Krishna. Captured by Maya. So he is undergoing here in this material world in lakhs of species of life, sometimes high, sometimes intermediary, sometimes low, species, planetary systems, wandering. If you ask such a jiva, who are you? What will he say? So I am this body, or I am Australian, American, Indian, Chinese, Japanese, black, white, wise, ignorant, wealthy, poor. I am man, I am woman, I am master, I am servant. Isn't it? So many eyes. I am Brahman, I am Kshatriya, I am Vaishya, I am Sudra. Or I am brahmachari, I am banprasthi, I am sannyasi. I am Swargavasi, inhabitant of Swarga, heavenly planet, or Martyavasi. I am inhabitant of this earthly planet. Or I am inhabitant of Maharloka, or Janaloka, or Tapaloka, or Satyaloka. Isn't it? In this way he will say. This is true in respect of Jiva. It's not true in respect of Jiva. Who is he? If he really knows this, who is he, Jiva Tattva. Do you understand? If he is really received this Tattva Gyan, he has really received Tattva Gyan from bona fide Guru, Vaishnava Acharya, then it's Gopi Bhartru Pada Kamal Dasa Dasan Dasan. I am the servant of the servant of the servant of that husband of gopis, is Krishna. That means I am servant of Krishna, servant of Krishna. Jiver Swarupa hoy, Krishnir Nitya Das. Mahaprabhu came with supreme authority, with Krishna himself. He taught us this thing. He gave us this Tattva Gyan. Do you understand? He imparted us Tattva Gyan. I am Jiva, eternally the servant of, eternal servant of Krishna. That the Swarupa of Jiva is one identification. When all are the servants of Krishna, one aim is there to serve Krishna, to please Krishna, give all enjoyment to Krishna. I am not the enjoyer. Krishna is the only enjoyer. Why there will be fighting? Why there will be quarreling? Why there will be enmity? Why there will be intolerance? Why there will be enviousness? Why? When you understand this thing, realize this, there will be no such thing. Therefore Prabhupada Maharaj says, this Krishna consciousness is the only solution. Otherwise there is perpetual fighting between Devas and Danavas. Cannot stop. Unless intelligent persons, leaders of both the groups, take to this Krishna consciousness. Prabhupada Maharaj says, this is the only solution. Because this should be taught, this Tattva Gyan. This Tattva Gyan. Jiva sa Tattva Jigyasa, Nartha Jasyeha Karma Bhi. Bhagavatam says, Gita says, when one gets human birth, that birth, this opportunity is available to inquire about it. Inquire about it. Who am I? Why have I been suffering? Do you understand?